so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi! And today, we're here at the Special Spirit Organization and Danny's Farm here in Los Angeles, California. And we get to meet some amazing animals. Yeah! I am so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. Come on! Whoa! Look at it. It's a horse. Hello! Yeah! And this horse has a name. Its name is Jasper. Hello, Jasper. Jasper is so sweet. Look, Jasper is the colors white and brown. Whoa, Jasper is so nice and really soft to pet. Hey, and look at this. Jasper's eyes are different colors? Whoa! That is a really big word called heterochromia. Whoa! That's a big word that basically means someone has two different color eyes. Yeah, this eye is the color brown. And this eye over here, whoa, it's the color blue. Whoa, you have really pretty eyes, Jasper. Whoa, this horse is so big and so beautiful. Yeah, Christopher Pine, the color brown. Whoa, and he's just eating some hay. Whoop. Hello. Yeah, just eating some hay. That's what horses eat. They eat lots of hay. Whoa, and look. This big horse has a mane, just like Jasper, and a tail, just like Jasper. Whoa, and some really big feet. Whoa, look at it. Do you know what the name is for a horse's feet? They're called hooves. Yeah, look at them. Horses have hooves. Well, I've had so much fun learning about horses. Hey, I have an idea. How about you and I ride a horse in real life? Yeah! If only we knew someone who could help us. Hello, I'm Blippi.
I'm Keegan.
Hi, Keegan.
This is Apache.
Oh, hi, Apache. Keegan, can I ride Apache?
Yes, you can, Blippi.
Yeah! I'm so excited to ride Apache. Okay,
Apache?
I'm gonna get on.
Good boy, Apache.
Good
You're
boy,
early.
Apache. Whoa, look, I'm on Apache. We're gonna go on the sensory trail. Yeah, this trail uses all of your 5 senses. There's things to see, listen to, and touch. Woo, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Walk on, Apache. Apache's a really good listener. Well, look, we're coming up to the first thing in the sensory trail. Whoa! A stop sign, whoa! Okay, walk on. Hey, look, there's some bells. Woo! Look at that.
Look at that.
They sound so pretty in the wind, and even prettier when you play with them. Woo! Okay, walk on. Let's see what else there is here. Walk on. Whoa! Over the bridge! Ooh. Ooh. And through the car wash! Whoa! Hey, look! We have Apache and Cherokee, and we're gonna walk them to give them a treat. Let's go! Whoa! You guys are so cute. Whoa, horses are amazing. Whoa, hello, Keegan. Whoa, okay, here you go. Now, time to give him some treats. Hello, you like a carrot? Whoa, ooh, they love carrots. And Apache's really hungry, because I rode him. Whoa, hey, maybe Cherokee wants some too. Cherokee, would you like a carrot? You want a carrot? Oh, no. Uh-oh. Let me get that for you. It fell. Wow. Okay, here, I'll give you another carrot so that they both have the same amounts of carrots and apples. Mmm, so tasty. Hey, whoa, look at where I am. Inside the pen with all the animals. There's so many different kinds. And look, it's Sunny. Hello, Sunny. Sunny is a goat. I love goats. They're so cool. Whoa, hello. And Sunny is two colors. Look, the color golden brown and the color white. Yeah, Sunny is a really good goat. Yeah. Goats are really cool because they're really great climbers. Ooh, they can climb up all types of things and hop up on stools like this. Yeah, they can just climb on up, no problem. Hey, do you know what a little goat is called? Yeah, a kid, just like you. Or just like when I was little, a kid. Yeah. Ooh, but did you know, when goats are born, they walk right away. Yeah, they're born, and even though they're babies, they can walk. Whoa, that's so cool. Hey, let's see if we can see some goats up close. Come on. Hello. Hi. Whoa. It's Sunny. Yeah. Sunny is a boy goat. But look, there's also a girl goat. Hello. Look at this. Sunny is a different color from this goat. This goat is kind of speckled, white and black. Whoa, they're so sweet and really soft. Hey, did you know that goats, they like to burp? Excuse me. And they're so cute and so fun to pet. Whoa, but look at this guy. Do you know what kind of animal this is? Yeah, that's right. This is a pig. Can you make a pig noise like me? Or partly. Yeah, this pig, well, actually, not this pig. This pig over here is named Hartley, and this is Hartley's mama. Hello, mama. Mama is really sweet. Oh, I forgot. Let's make those pig noises. Can you make them with me? So silly. Oh, pigs are so smart and really good smellers. Yeah, look. You see the pig's nose? Whoa, that's a really big nose. It's bigger than my nose. Yeah, they're really, really good smellers, so they can see their food. Whoa, and look, pigs, they're kind of soft too, but not like a goat, because pigs don't have fur and they don't have hair. Yeah, pigs have bristles. Yeah, right here. Whoa, they're kind of prickly, and it's kind of like hair, but it's a little firmer and harder. Yeah, they're really cool to touch and to pet, and to give scratches. Scratch, scratch. Aw, well, it's so nice to see these pigs. Whoa, and look, Hartley came to say hi. This pig is called Hartley because this little white heart. Well, it kind of looks like a heart. Right there. Yeah. Whoa. Sunny and Mama and Hartley. These animals are so amazing. Oh, and do you see this other animal? Oh. Do you know what this animal is called? I'll give you a hint. This animal goes like this. Bah, bah, bah. Yeah, this animal is a sheep. Ooh. Hello, sheep. This sheep is really, really nice. Yeah, and sheep, they have wool on their back. Some types of sheep, yeah, they just shed kind of like a dog. Yeah, some sheep, they shed the wool on their back. But other kinds of sheep, like this sheep right here, they need to get a haircut. Yeah, they have shears, which are kind of like haircut scissors for sheep. And they just give the sheep a little haircut on the back. But it's really important to not cut the hair on the back of the sheep so that they don't get too hot in the sun. Yeah, it's kind of like wearing a hat, but the hat is on your back. Whoa, that's so silly. Whoa. Hey, did you know something else? Sheep are vegetarian. That's a really big word. Well, they're not vegetarian. That would be as if they're a human, then they'd be a vegetarian. Sheeps are herbivores. Whoa, herbivores are what sheeps are, and vegetarians, that's what some people are. Yeah, and that means herbivores only like to eat plants. Yeah, plants, no meat. Whoa, these sheep are so cool. Whoa, that was so amazing learning about sheeps and goats and all kinds of animals here at Danny's farm. I had so much fun with you and so much fun with you. Hello. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, will you spell my name with me? Okay, they're gonna help spell it too. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you real soon. I'm gonna get these guys and gals some treats. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!